Hello children, hope you all are fit and fine. Let's continue chapter 4b in chemistry, chemical bonding. In this chapter, we have already discussed electrovalent bond, formation of electrovalent compounds, covalent bond and formation of few covalent compounds. All of you know what are covalent compounds? The compounds which are formed due to mutual sharing of electrons between the given pair of non-metallic elements. Right? Now let's discuss the formation of water molecule. Water is also a covalent compound. Right? All of you know water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. How many electrons are there? 1. Electronic configuration is also 1. Right? Now oxygen atomic number is 8. Electrons are also 8 and electronic configuration is 2, 6. It means hydrogen needs only 1 electron to get a stable electronic configuration, and but oxygen needs how many electrons? 2 electrons to get a stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, neon. Right? For that, it means what's happened? This oxygen needs 2 electrons, right? But hydrogen needs only 1 electron. So oxygen combined with 2 atoms of hydrogen. It combined with 2 atoms of hydrogen and share 1 electron from each atom of hydrogen and then get a stable electronic configuration. After sharing 1 electron, now just see. Now after sharing this hydrogen having what? 2 electrons. 1, 2. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are there, and this hydrogen also get a 2 electrons. So all atoms are fully satisfied. They have stable electronic configuration and they combine together. Now they combine by mutual sharing of these electrons, right? And in this way they form a water molecule, which in which what's happened? Two lone pair. In this water molecule, 2 lone pairs are there. One lone pair is this one, and another is this one, which is not shared. What are lone pairs? The pair of electrons which are not equally shared. And here in water molecule, 2 single covalent bonds are formed, and water molecule is formed. Right? Now next is your formation of ammonia. How the ammonia molecule is formed? All of you know in ammonia, nitrogen atomic number is 7. How many electrons are there? 7. Electronic configuration is 2, 5. It needs how many electrons? 3 electrons to get a stable electronic configuration. Right? Just next is your hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Electrons are 1. Electronic configuration is also 1. It also needs 1 electron to get a stable electronic configuration, just like helium. But just see nitrogen. In nitrogen, how many electrons are in the outermost shell? 5. Right? It needs 3. But if it combine only with 1 atom of hydrogen, it get only 1 electron. So what's happened? It will combine with 3 atoms of hydrogen. It will combine with 3 atoms of hydrogen to get a stable electronic configuration. Right? These 3 atoms of hydrogen, they combine, and 1 pair of electrons are shared from each hydrogen atom, and after sharing it form an ammonia molecule. This ammonia molecule, here just see this hydrogen having 2 electron, so get a stable electronic configuration. This hydrogen also having 2 electron, this hydrogen also having 2 electron. Right? So all these 3 are fully satisfied. Their outermost shells are fully satisfied. Now look at this nitrogen, also having 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So its outermost shell is also fully satisfied. And in this way it forms ammonia molecule. And in ammonia, 3 single covalent bonds are there. 1, 2 and 3 single covalent bonds are formed, and the formula of ammonia is NH3. Now next is your formation of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride formula is CCl4. Means carbon atomic number is 6, electron 6, and electronic configuration is what? 2, 4. Right? All of you now, how many electrons it required to get a stable electronic configuration? 4 electrons. Right? But on other side, chlorine atomic number is 17, electrons 17, electronic configuration 287. Chlorine required only 1 electron to get a stable electronic configuration, just like argon. Right? But carbon needs 4 electrons. So carbon combined with 4 atoms of what? Chlorine. It will combine with 4 atoms of chlorine. And just look at the here how you will show this formation of this carbon tetrachloride. Carbon, you will draw a carbon atom. Only you will show outer shell. 4 atoms are there, 4 electrons are there. Then they combine with chlorine atom. Chlorine atom has outermost shell. How many electrons? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This atom also, chlorine atom also having 7 electron. This chlorine atom also having 7 electron. And this one is also having 7 electron. Right? Now after sharing these electron with 4 electron from each chlorine atom, now this covalent compound of carbon tetrachloride is formed. And look at here, this carbon get a 8 electron after sharing 1 electron from each atom of chlorine. It get a stable electronic configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? It get a stable electronic configuration. The same way each chlorine atom also get a stable electronic configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same way here, this chlorine also having 8 electron, this chlorine also having 8 electron, and this one also 8 electron. In the outermost cell means all atoms are fully satisfied and they form a molecule carbon tetrachloride. Here how many covalent single covalent bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single covalent bonds are formed when carbon tetrachloride is formed. Right? And what is the formula of carbon tetrachloride? CCl4. Okay, now then you go through this chapter and do the given questions from the exercises. Right?